This is pretty new for this conflict, but also for conflict all over the world. This mortar can be very effective and the impact on the population really brutal.
As with any emergent technology, there are those who seek to exploit the lack of established countermeasures for criminal intents. In response to this threat, we present the ADI system. With a network of sensor posts, our system uses audio and visual techniques to detect any drones entering a restricted airspace. Once a rogue drone is located, an aerial pursuit drone is then dispatched to intercept and neutralize the target. Microphone arrays are mounted on each sensor post. These use speech recognition techniques in conjunction with machine learning in order to classify the presence of a drone. Maneuverable cameras mounted on a network of sensor posts scan the sky for incoming targets. Computer vision techniques are used to detect and track drones in the camera's field of view and extract information about the relative angle of the drone from the camera. With this information from multiple cameras, the drone's position can be localized in 3D space. A net launcher is selected as the means of neutralization. Constructed of PVC pipe, it uses pressurized air as the propellant on a sleeve and rail mechanism. The device has been extensively tested and successfully demonstrated in the field. Incoming rogue drones will be intercepted by a commercial octocopter modified to support autonomous flight. The pursuit drone is equipped with a GPS receiver and serial radio telemetry, which allows for navigational waypoints to be assigned from the terrestrial base station. Additional course refinement can be generated internally from an onboard computer vision system. Utilizing this, the system has been demonstrated to safely neutralize threats within a designated protection area. When combined, the ADI system provides an effective fusion of detection and interception technologies capable of protecting a sensitive region against rogue drones.